Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making mini chicken pot pies. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 can of cream of chicken. We're going to need adobo light seasoning or the seasoning of your choice, ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, a can of Grand's flaky layer biscuits, 10 ounces of mixed frozen vegetables, and I have a cup and a half of chopped chicken breast. Okay guys, I have both my Dutch ovens going on the stove. The first one, we're going to put our chicken breast in. I have the water already boiling, so go ahead and put your chicken breast in. We're going to put our onion powder in this one, garlic powder, the adobo light seasoning, and black pepper. So guys, I use 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of adobo light seasoning. So all I'm going to do now is give that a good stir, and we're going to let that cook for about 20 minutes. And you can go ahead and put your lid back on. Okay guys, for the second pot, my water is boiling, and all I'm going to do is add in my frozen vegetables, one-4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And now I'm going to give that a mix. Now we're going to cover that up and cook that for about 5 to 8 minutes. Okay guys, the chicken and the vegetables now done. All I'm going to do is transfer them into a big bowl and set them aside and let them cool off. Okay guys, so in a bowl I empty my cream of chicken. I'm going to set that aside. And also I mixed my mixed vegetables and my chicken breast. So while that's cooling off some, I'm just going to go ahead and separate my flaky layer biscuits. Okay guys, once you have your biscuits out of the can, all you want to do is go ahead and flatten them like this, and I'm going to show you how to put them into your muffin tin. Okay guys, so I have the jumbo muffin tin. So all you want to do is just press your biscuit all the way down and around and up over the edge. Okay guys, now you can set your oven to 375 degrees, and this is what your biscuits should look like in the muffin tin. Next, we're going to take our cream of chicken soup, pour it into our bowl, and just mix until well combined. Okay guys, all we do now is start to fill our biscuits. Okay guys, once your biscuits are all filled, all we're going to do is go ahead and press our biscuits in like that. Just bring it in. Okay guys, now they're ready to go in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 375 degrees. Okay guys, it's been 25 minutes and here are our mini chicken pot pies. They look delicious. They smell good. So next I'm going to take them out of the pan so you guys can see how they look. Alright guys, they look delicious. These are our mini chicken pot pies. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please come back. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.